Imagine this, you're driving home from work, the sun is setting, the radio is low, everything is calm, and then your heart drops, your chest tightens. A rush of fear hits you so fast you can't even explain it. Your mind flashes images you don't recognize, and suddenly you can't breathe, there's no danger, but your brain decides the danger is real. For millions of people, this is PTSD, a past moment hijacking the present without warning. Welcome back to Psychology Threads, the channel where we take misunderstood psychological concepts and break them down using real science and real stories. Today, we're uncovering the truth about PTSD, what causes it, how it changes the brain, the hidden symptoms people never talk about, and the most effective paths to healing. By the end of this video, you'll understand PTSD in a way most people never have the chance to, and you may even recognize signs in yourself or someone you care about. This isn't just a psychological term, it's a profound human experience, one that affects thoughts, emotions, the body, and even identity. So let's begin with what PTSD actually is. Post-traumatic stress disorder happens when a traumatic experience overwhelms the brain's ability to store and process the event safely. Most people assume PTSD means someone is weak or can't move on, but that's not true at all. PTSD is actually a survival system stuck in overdrive. Your brain is trying to protect you, but instead it traps you in a loop of hypervigilance, fear, and emotional overload. And here's something most people in the US get wrong. PTSD isn't just caused by combat or violent accidents. Emotional trauma, like loss, betrayal, childhood neglect, or witnessing someone else suffer, can have the same neurological effect. Trauma isn't measured by the event, it's measured by the impact. Let's break down what actually happens inside the brain. 3 major areas change when someone develops PTSD. 1. The amygdala, the alarm system. This part becomes overactive. It fires off fear signals at the smallest triggers, a sound, a tone of voice, a smell. 2. The hippocampus, the memory organizer. This area often shrinks under severe stress. It struggles to place memories in the past, which is why flashbacks feel like they're happening right now. 3. The prefrontal cortex, the logical brain. This part goes offline when trauma responses activate. It becomes harder to think clearly, calm down, or override emotional reactions. PTSD isn't in your head, it's in the structure of your brain. The media focuses on flashbacks, but there are many symptoms people miss. Emotional numbing, not feeling joy or connection, even with people you love. Irritability or sudden anger. Not because of personality, but because the nervous system is in threat mode. Avoidance, skipping events, places, or conversations without fully knowing why. Overthinking social interactions, assuming rejection or danger, even in safe situations. Physical symptoms, chronic pain, stomach issues, migraines, often rooted in stored stress. Sleep problems, trouble falling or staying asleep because the brain refuses to relax. Many people live with these symptoms without realizing they're connected to trauma. There's PTSD, and then there's CPTSD or complex PTSD. PTSD comes from a single major traumatic event. CPTSD comes from ongoing trauma, especially in childhood. CPTSD includes symptoms like deep shame or guilt, fear of abandonment, feeling broken or unlovable, difficulty trusting others, emotional flashbacks without clear memories. For many people who grew up in unstable homes, CPTSD describes their experience more accurately than anything else. Why triggers happen. A trigger isn't always dramatic. It can be a tone of voice, a smell, a certain time of year, a phrase, a location, even silence. Triggers occur because the brain is trying to warn you about past danger. Even when the danger is long gone, your brain isn't trying to hurt you, it's trying to protect you using outdated information. The good news, PTSD is highly treatable with the right approach. 1. EMDR, eye movement desensitization and reprocessing, helps the brain refile traumatic memories into the past. 2. Trauma-focused cognitive behavioral therapy rewires the thoughts shaped by trauma. 3. Somatic therapy works with the body because trauma is stored physically. 4. Medication can calm an overactive nervous system so therapy becomes easier. 5. Safe relationships, supportive. People can literally help the brain reorganize and heal. Healing isn't fast, but it is absolutely possible. PTSD doesn't mean someone is broken. It means their brain protected them during something overwhelming, and it hasn't realized the danger is over. If this video helped you understand PTSD in a new way, hit the like button and subscribe to Psychology Threads for more deep, science-backed insights into the mind. Take care of yourself, stay curious,